All right, here we are. We are in our herb garden and we have all of the pollinators. And so right now we are in the process of picking some of our mint and lemon balm. As you can see here, it's all over. This lemon balm came back, in mint and spearmint came back over 12 years in a row. So every year we're straight with herbs. As you can see, even the cats love it. But right now we are going to be getting some and drying them out. So let's stay tuned to get some of these herbs. This is what we do every year to make our teas, seasonings, and everything. So it's early April and already we have an abundance of these herbs. Alhamdulillah. This right here is spearmint. So we're going to be making our spearmint tea bags, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, it's such a beautiful day today. We have the flowers blooming today, and actually this morning we had a bit of a frost. And some of the plants got kind of cold, but they're dual surviving because we put a lot of cold hardy plants out here. But today is a very, very beautiful day. And we're going to start planting in our raised bed, and then we'll show you all what we do next, inshallah. So please stay tuned. All right, so here we have cut some of our herbs, and this right here will dry down compact so much and dry it out so much that you'll make maybe about a couple of ounces of this spearmint. So, but it is so strong, organic, no chemicals or anything. It's such a beautiful day that you hear the kids all in the background playing and everything. So you can't take advantage of days like this, especially in storm season. But the storms bring a lot of harvest in our herb garden. So this is pretty cool. All right, so now we are getting ready to plant in this fertile soil. As you can see, it has worms in it. So that indicates that your soil is ready and very fertile. So we're going to be planting our cabbage seedlings that we did in the house. And now it's time to put them in the ground in April. This is cabbage. So we'll be doing leafy greens in this bed, as well as some mums. As well as some marigolds that are ready to plant outside now. Out of the greenhouse, now outside. Here we have one cabbage. Bismillah. We'll do a row of cabbage. We'll plant them about, I would say 12 inches apart. And then we'll have, in between each, we'll have our marigolds. All right, everyone, so we have planted our marigolds and lettuce seedlings from our house, in the greenhouse in the house. We put them all along this row in this height, this raised bed. And we put lettuce, cabbage, and marigolds on this side, as you can see. So inshallah, these are cold hardy as well. So this is how it looks so far, the whole bed. And it's a lot of plants in here. Keep you all updated, inshallah. Here's a slight update of our carrots in April. We planted by seeds. Right here we have some coneflower. We just planted in between here. And these are our cauliflower and broccoli. It is 39 degrees today. Here are the napkin. We germinated these in a napkin. These are the winter peas. And this is how they look so far. And this bird is over here, so the birds weren't gonna pick at it while they're young. But this is how it looks in 39-degree weather in April. It's a beautiful day, alhamdulillah. 39 degrees, and the birds are nice and loud. There's some tomatoes and herbs in here. This is our oldest rooster. We had this rooster for, I would say, 13 years. So he's an old man. The father of all of our 5 roosters that we have on our property. Alright guys, so today we are out shopping for garden materials for our raised bed. And we are now at the garden section of... We are now going into Tractor Supply to get some garden supplies. And let's see what they have for some chicken supplies as well, some egg cartons because we sell eggs. But right now, we are going to be getting some supplies. Alright, so we are going through this area of plants and all that they have. And then we also have, I don't know if they have any chicks today, but we usually order them online, some rare ones. There was some ducks in here, but it doesn't look like any chicks today. Let's see. No chicks for right now. So I just want to show you around here with some things that they have that are good for your chickens if you're doing organic chickens and organic eggs. Some good brands are the Dumar. This is one of the good brands, and this is organic, made with grains, organic grains, organic ingredients, 100% non-GMO. And another good brand is Organic Egg Layer Pellets. Now the pellets is the ones that you want to use if you have egg layers. They love the pellets and they last a lot longer and they produce a lot more nutritious eggs. Another brand as well is that we have the Clucking Company, which is this brand. They have different kinds of scratch grains. Scratch grains are for your chickens to learn how to scratch on the ground. And also we have the All Flock Blend. It's like a snack, and it's for all types of birds, like your ducks, your chickens, your quails, your turkeys, etc. So, like I said, Dumar is a really excellent brand, especially if you're doing egg-laying chickens. And also here at Tractor Supply, what we use is the poultry netting, which is right here, and it's about 48 inches by 25 inches in the $36 only. So that's a pretty good price, and that will go around our other raised bed in the garden. We do not prefer these ones, like recommend. We don't recommend any of these. So another thing is good for chicken treats, and these we give the chickens treats just to bring more nutrients to the eggs. Now, the more nutrients your hen gets, the more nutrients is inside of the egg that you eat. We also give them the mealworms, which are excellent. They love them as a snack. Actually, it's better for them than some of these seeds right here, but it's still good. But they love these mealworms. So these right here are the duck drinkers. You can even use them for chickens as well. But it's a lot of good things here. I don't recommend any of these kind of feeds right here. I like to do more non-organic. Sometimes you can get it if you don't have a lot, but they mostly, a lot of the times, they're made with some, added ingredients or added vitamins or added hormones. So you want to stay away from the inorganic feeds. But like you said, this is for if you're doing organic chickens. Yeah.